Understanding, put through the mill, an idiomatic journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, put through the mill. It's a saying you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. Our goal is to unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your own English speaking and writing. So, let's get started. The phrase, put through the mill, refers to a person experiencing a difficult or challenging situation that tests their endurance or capabilities. It's similar to saying someone has been through a tough process or had a hard time. The mill here metaphorically represents a machine or process that grinds or processes something extensively. The origin of put through the mill ties back to the literal mills used for grinding grain into flour or crushing other materials. Historically, mills were places of hard, repetitive labor and could be seen as a metaphor for undergoing a strenuous process. Over time, this literal sense evolved into the idiomatic expression we use today, symbolizing the idea of being tested or tried, often through difficult experiences. Incorporating idioms like put through the mill into your conversations can add depth and color to your language. Here are a few examples to help you understand its use. After a rigorous training camp, the coach said the team had been put through the mill, ready for the season ahead. Having worked on that complex project for months, I really felt like I'd been put through the mill. You look exhausted. Yeah, this week really put me through the mill at work. English is rich with idioms that express similar sentiments. Knowing these can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of the language. Other phrases with comparable meanings include been through the ringer, dragged over the coals, run the gauntlet. These expressions all convey the idea of undergoing a tough or challenging ordeal, though each has its unique context and nuance. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, put through the mill. We hope this video has enlightened you on its meaning, origins, and usage. Idioms like this one add flavor and expressiveness to the English language, making it more vibrant and dynamic. Remember, practicing these phrases in your conversations or writing can greatly enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.